Hello and welcome here to GAG Guidance and welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I will show how you can optimize your computer's hard drive and make it load faster. FYI, I am talking about HDD. So let's start the informational part. Number 1 topic is defragmentation in HDD. Defragmentation means to find all the scattered pieces of a file in a memory and store them together at one place. In this process you will also free some memory which was not utilized after deletion of old files. The HDD drive stores the file in a stack sequence, and if you delete an old file, it will create a free space in that part of the memory. When a new file is loaded into the memory, the system first tries to fill those free spaces. But when the file is of large size, the system will fill the previously created free spaces, then move to fill the rest of file in the pool of free space. So, when you open that file, the pointer in HDD moves to many locations to load that file, and this makes the working of HDD drive slow and decrease its life. If you like this video, do hit the like button to help to spread this video, and the target for likes will be just 30. Show your support. Number 2 topic is HDD versus SSD defragmentation. While doing a defragmentation on HDD can increase your drive's health, but doing a defragmentation on SSD can harm your drive and decrease its life, as the SSD does not follow the stack design. So, if you have a SSD in your computer, be cautious, do not defragment your SSD. Now let's move to the how to do part. Here is how you can defragment your HDD. Step 1 is to press the Windows button and X together. Then go to Disk Management. Now select the disk you want to defragment. Double-click or right-click to open the sub-menu. Then go to Properties. Step 2, go to Tools. Under the Optimize and Defragment drive, click Optimize. Select your drive and click Optimize. Now you have successfully completed the defragmentation. It may take some time depending upon the files in the drive. If you like this video, to hit the like button and also a subscribe would be really appreciated. Thank you, as it helps the channel to reach the milestone of 10,000 subscribers. Do drop your comments what you would like to see next if you like informational videos. Here is an extra tip for you guys. Under the scheduled optimization, you can select change settings, and select a schedule to automatically optimize the drives. In drives option you can choose to optimize multiple drivers at same time. Best choice would be weekly or monthly. Click OK, then close. And now you are done. If you want to increase your computer booting speed, click on the first video. If you want to improve your phone's performance, click on the second video. So this was it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.